Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video out here in the workshop. It's been quite some time since I made a video. Just been really super busy with work and fixing up the house and yeah. Well, today I'm going to take a break and show you something I just purchased. And let me bring you on over here. I don't know if you remember seeing my small chop saw right here, my old DeWalt 10-inch. I think it was a DWS779 model. It was really tiny for a 10-inch. You know, you can only cut, it struggles on 4x4s, but it's good for 2x4s and smaller wood. Well, I finally found the deal of a lifetime. I only buy things when the deal is right, and it fell right in my lap, okay? I purchased a Dewalt 12-inch double bevel compound sliding miter saw. And it's the DWS779. Now, this saw here came from a small store, and he had a heck of a deal on this saw. At first, I thought it was a 780. The 780 has the LED light, and LED light down here, and the laser for cutting. And that one was on sale for $500 and some odd dollars. It was like $50 off from the retail price. It was over $600 saw with that laser. I said no, I didn't want to get that just because of the price, and I don't really use a laser. I have it for years, and why start now? So I did a lot of comparisons with this saw and that other saw, the 780, come to find out that the only there's two differences between these two saws. This one here does not have the LED and the laser, and this one's a little bit heavier, not so compact. The other one, of course, has the laser. I think it weighs less and it's more compact and it's a little easier to move. This one here weighs 56 pounds, and it took everything I had to put it up on my table saw right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. All right, I got you set up here. Hopefully you don't fall. I have it on the floor right now. So I'll go ahead and open it up, and this is what you see. You have some wing nuts and some lock washers. We'll throw that up there. And then you have the hold down for it. To hold down your wood while you're cutting. We'll put that up there. And then these here, some type of legs maybe, I don't know, but there's two of them here. They're out of aluminum. And then got the owner's manual and some instructions. And then these here are the handles, or what do you call that? Like rollers to put your wood on there so you can extend it. Well, there's that. Go ahead and put those up there. Got two of those. Take out this big piece of styrofoam. Oh boy. This looks extremely heavy. Alright, I'm going to bring you down here. Take a look a little closer. Wow. All shiny and brand new. All kinds of stuff in there. All right, well, I'm going to try to get this out of the box. I'm going to put it up here on the table saw. This thing is huge. Oh my. Wow. 12-inch cut, and they give you the 32 tooth blade for ripping. I might in the future get another blade for this for a finer cut. Yeah, I'm looking around this beast. There's all kinds of styrofoam and everything in it. So, wow. I tell you what, the packaging was really nice. Look at that. Put that over here in my pile. Boy, I love everything nice and shiny. There's that right there. Oh yeah, I never had one of these ever in my life. I'm in my 50s now, and I never would have dreamed of owning one of these back in the day. They're always pricey. But yeah, go ahead and put this over there. And I'm going to take it apart and open it up. Wow. This thing is a beast. It's well made, that's for sure. It goes to 50 degrees this way and 60 degrees that way. Man, alive, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm excited. Sweet. And it has dust port right there. Nice. All kinds of doodads on this thing. I have to definitely read up on it. But yeah, it looks really, really nice. Yeah, so this here, you go like that. What you do is up like this. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, they said it was pretty deep when it's all the way back like that, so you gotta make sure that you have enough room, you know, when you turn this so you don't hit anything like I did over there. I hit the heater when I tried to turn it. Look at that. Look at how goof. Yeah, that's pretty deep. But yeah, this is the DWS779. And again, comes with the 32 tooth blade. Yeah, let's do some measurements real quick here. So, from here to here. Okay. And then from here to here, wow. Yeah, that's pretty wide. That is wide. That is awesome. Now I can cut a 10-inch board. Like over there, I have all those boards right there. I couldn't cut with my other saw, so. And this fell in my lap at a good price, and boy, I picked it up. He only has one more left. I think one of my buddies is going to pick it up. So I'll let you know in the future here how it goes, and I'll get it all mounted up and find a nice home for it. This base is much bigger, so it looks like this base here, this wooden base I built for my other saw, will have to come out. And then I'm going to mount that on this. But I think I'm going to put another, I'm going to build another wood shelf like this. Because it is so much easier. When I took this saw off, I just had 2 lag bolts holding it down. Instead of trying to get underneath here and come up underneath, and it's a pain. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to build another one. I got to find the footprint of that, and hopefully it's going to fit on there. It should. See, that's what these rollers are for from my other one, so I can put a board going across. This here has extensions here. I guess you bolt up somewhere. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, it's fun to figure new things out when you get it. But yeah, I figured I'd make this video showing you the unboxing and what you get in this box. And everyone I talked to said you don't need the $300 upgrade for the saw, for the laser. That's the real difference in the price. The price is outrageous for that 780. But if you like the laser, go for it. To me, it's not worth the $300 additional cost. So, alrighty guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be talking to you.